Did you know you can create a digital product today and start making money from it without any experience? In this video, I will show you how to create your very first digital product step by step as a complete beginner. Hi, I'm Goodness Akachi, and on this channel I help you explore easy ways to start your online business and of course increase your income. So if that is what you are interested in, do well to hit the subscribe button. Today we are diving into digital products, what they are, why they are so great, and how you are going to be creating your very first digital product even if you have never done it before. So let's get going. The first step on my list is choose a digital product idea. The first step is picking what type of digital product you want to create. Start simple. Think of something you already know or enjoy. For example, if you are good at organizing, create a printable planner. If you are creative, design templates like Instagram posts or resumes. Or if you know something valuable, you can start by writing an ebook. The key is to choose something easy for you and useful for others. For this video, I will walk you through creating a simple printable plan. The second on my list is use a free tool to create it. So for me, I recommend Canva because Canva is free to use and of course it is also easy. So what you need to do is log into your Canva. If you don't have Canva, please do well to get it. Also, the link to Canva is going to be on the description box in case you want to download it straight after watching this video. So log into your Canva and search for planner templates. I already have it here. So what I'm going to be tapping on planner template. So you see here, you see it has over 20,000 of it. It has 20,000 of it. So what you're going to do is choose one you like and customize it with your own colors, fonts or sections. So we're going to be choosing one that we like. So we have a lot of it here and you can choose one. So this one should be so we have the ones that you see pro on, they are pro, you can buy them and use them, but those ones that are not pro, you can customize them by yourself. So we are going to go with this particular one. To make this video short, I'm going to fast forward all of it. So we have this one is my weekly planning. So as is your weekly planning, so all you have to do now is you add color. This color you can change it. You tap on it and you see where it says replace, adjust and all that. Then you see apps and of course you see color. All you have to do is tap on color, then you can put it to black, you can change it to black, or you can change it to white, or you can still change it to red depending on the color you want. So I think I'll be going with green. So if you want to come here, all you need to do is come to this place where it says my weekly planning. You can change the font by coming to the place where it says size of, you see font size, you see color, you see text size. So you can change the text size, but for this video I won't be doing all that. So all I have to do for you now is just to show you. So we are going to change this color to, see that color has changed, and of course you can place it to white, you can make it red. Okay, I think the red is okay. So my weekly planning, then this month you can change your Monday to any size. Like you come to the place it says font size, then you increase it. Okay, you increase it, or you change your color to white or any color that can suit what you are doing. Okay, so I think I will just customize all these things to this color red. So let's get done. Okay, customize it to color red. You can still use any other things to do. It's just for you to download this particular stuff. Okay, so it's just for this video. I'm going to take my time and create. So this is what you can do. You can customize your color to change. You can change your font size. You can change your font size, or you color it, or change whatever thing you want. You can also change this color here. You can flip it, or you change the color depending on what you want to do. You can also remove it from, okay, let's do flipping. Horizontal, okay, it's flipped like this. You can keep it that way. Okay, so depending on what you want to do. So after that, all you need to do is tap on download. So you're going to download it on, so you come to the place it says download. You download, is going to be PDF form. So you come to the place it says PDF standard, PDF print, best for printing. So what you have to do is come to PDF standard. So you tap on it, then you are going to tap on download. Okay, this is downloading. That is how to create your first digital product. The next step on my list is deciding where to sell your digital product. For me, I prefer Etsy and of course Gumroad because they are beginner friendly. Okay, so for us to sell our products right now, we are going to use Gumroad. So stay tuned and watch how to do it. At the description box, you are going to be seeing the link to Gumroad. You can also go to your any browser and type in gumroad.com. So what you have to do after creating your account, you come to the place you say new products, you tap on it, and you are going to add your product name. You are going to add your product name. What type of product is a digital product? A digital product. So here they say course. You can say your course. You can say your ebook. You can say your membership, and of course you can also sell your bundles. So I'm going to be putting my price for $2. I'm going to be putting my price for $2. So after doing that, you can come to up and tap on customize. So once you go to customize, you are going to put in your description here, best planner, depending on what you are doing. So I've already done best planner, so you have to come down. I need to here you are going to upload your thumbnail. Let's call it your thumbnail, what people will see once they come to your platform to view what you have. So you need to create a thumbnail on Canva too. Okay, so to make this video short, I need to fasten it up. So I can't get some certain things. Best planner. So all you need to do is, you see where it says additional details. If you have additional details to put, you can put them, but you have to scroll all the way up, and after putting all these questions and all that, you save and continue. So it's not going to ask you to publish your content. Before you publish your content, you are going to upload the PDF file you created. So all you have to do is go to your choose files and all that. So depending on the file you created, so you are going to choose the file. So you are going to be choosing the file, and here it is. You are going to upload it. So it's uploading. Weekly planning template. So it's uploading. All you need to do is wait for it to upload, and of course, yes, then you hit on publish and continue. So it says publish. So for Gumroad and all that, you have published this particular this. For you to see is go to where it says my product, then you see your first one here is weekly planner. I've sold nothing yet, then my revenue, and here is the price for it. So for these digital products, you can also comment below, ask your questions, and I will get back to you. Okay, so before you go, here are some couple of tips. Start small. Don't try to also don't forget to listen to people's feedback. If someone asks you to change something for them, please do well to change it for them, and that way you can also learn more and more of these particular platforms and how to do a better job. So try as much as possible to know. So now is your turn. So what kind of digital products would you like to create? For me, I've teach you this particular one, so I also want you to know particular platforms that you want to generate your particular product, and of course the one you want to create. Let me know in the comment section. So I did like to hear your ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more beginner friendly tips on starting online business. See you in the next video.